Hi guys, we're out in my back garden. Just going to try something out that could be fun, it could be messy, or it could just be disappointing. What I've got is some old tins of lager that I've had in my garage for ages. The date on it says 31st of the 1st 2017, so it's well over a year old, past its sell-by date. I've actually been using these cans to make pinhole cameras, but when I open them they're a bit lively and spray everywhere. So what I'm going to do is strap one to this car and see if I can hit a hole in the end of it with my nail on a stick and see if it's got any, or got enough pressure to actually push it forwards at all. Now the main problem is that's actually quite heavy, so even if it has got some pressure it might have trouble moving it, and that's actually on a slight slope that way. So no idea if it's going to work. I shall tape it in place, hit it and see what happens, and it'll either be messy, fun, or just disappointing. So, what do you reckon? Missed. Oh, get it off! Oh dear. It went in too easily. Right, so that one failed. I'll leave that to drain. Let's try another one. I'll just sharpen my point a little bit more. I'll file it a bit cleaner. Right, I've cleaned my nail. Ready? It's not going to work, is it? Third attempt. I'm going to try and use this brick to limit the distance I push it in. That's the theory. Something like that. Right, well that's what we wanted. And it's a fail. There's not enough power there. So 3 attempts. We got the technique right in the end, but we're not getting enough power to actually push the car forwards. Yeah. Give it one last go. Just wondering if we cheat a little bit and give it a bit of a slope. That's another project. Was that just because I hit it? No, we might have had a bit of propulsion there, but not much. I'm just trying to see how far it goes when I hit it. It's not moving much, so yeah, maybe we had a bit of assistance from the jet that time. So, summary time. Did it work? No. Was it worth doing? Well, I've got to throw this stuff away anyway, so it wasn't a total waste. We did actually try something out and see if it worked. That'll do. I better wash this off now, hadn't I? Last one. Oh, fell over. I suppose I could have shaken them up first, couldn't I? Bit late now. That was the last one. Somebody else can try it, shaking it up first.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.